Ever taken a perfect shot, only to realize it turned out blurry? Don't delete it just yet. In this video, I'll show you how to bring your blurry photos back to life, sharp, clear, and stunning, using absolutely free tools. Whether it's a precious memory or an important picture, I've got you covered. And if you love smart tech tips like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss an update from Highly Practicals, your go-to channel for tech tips and tricks that work. Let's get started. Open any browser of your choice and search for cutout.pro in the search bar of your browser. Then click on it to be able to access the website. Once on the website, click on this menu icon. Then click here to sign up for an account, using either your working email address or sign up with your Google account. After the account registration, click on the menu icon again. Then tap on the product option and click on the AI Restore option. Now select the Photo Enhancer option. Then click here, which will direct you to your gallery. Select the blurry picture and click on Done. And wait for some few seconds for the processing to be done. After the AI has finished processing your picture, you will see a sharp, clear, and stunning version of your uploaded picture. Just click on any of these options for your picture to be downloaded to your gallery. And just like that, your blurry photo is now crisp and clear, without spending a dime. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share with someone who needs it. For more tech tricks that actually work, make sure you're subscribed to Highly Practicals, where we turn everyday tech problems into simple solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.